This is our first water sign of all of the signs, and I'm going to be speaking very calmly in this video because apparently I have a very calming voice, but also because we are talking about Cancer today. I feel like one of the most soft, calm signs that we've had yet, and I feel like we got to get in, the aesthetic here. So Cancer is a water sign. The symbol is a crab, and I feel like all the things that I share with you and show you like how I recreated this look just really screamed Cancer to me. Like after reading so much, I got like violets, whites, gray, cream. It's ruled by the moon in the 4th house, orchids, white roses, washed out, beachy, soft, like soul and emotional well-being. Tell me that that does not scream everything that this look is. And it's a really super simple look as well. And it's a super soft look, and I added some pearls, and I'm just like really happy with how it came out. I am really happy with how it came out. So Cancer, you wear your heart on your sleeve. Just like real crabs, Cancers are known to retreat to your quote-unquote shell. I can 110,000% see this. I feel like in the water signs, I always say this about like the water signs because I'm a water sign, and I feel like Scorpios are like the badass like water sign, like they're very internal, and then Pisces are the imaginative, happy water sign. They're very external, and then Cancer is the one that kind of just like kicks off everything and is just fully a water sign. I mean, the symbol is water. Okay, the symbol is a crab. A crab lives in water. So other things about Cancer is that they're very loyal, arguably one of the most loyal signs in the zodiac. They're very protective, intuitive. I feel like I've seen in so many places in my research that Cancers are basically psychic, and that they can read people and they can read their emotions. And they themselves, while they wear their hearts on their sleeves, it's almost like they wear their hearts on their sleeve and can see absolutely everybody else's heart on their sleeve too, even if the person's like not actually, their heart isn't actually like on their sleeve. I feel like water signs are like that in general too. They're very caring, which I can totally see too. And then we go into some like negative things, but I don't think that this one is negative necessarily. I know that Cancer, if you are a Cancer listening, I know that you get all the time that you are hella sensitive. Listen, I'm a Pisces. I get it too. And I'm sure Scorpios out there get it as well. And I don't think it's a bad thing to be sensitive. I think that being emotional and being sensitive is a good thing because, like, do you want to have a black heart? Do you want to not give a shit? I know it can be definitely hard sometimes being this sensitive and overly caring person, but wouldn't you rather have a heart than not one at all? Because I think I would. Cancers are very moody. I feel like Cancers are the Gemini of the water signs. They're very like, how are you feeling today? What feelings are on your mind, on your heart? How are you feeling? I also see what I'm reading off of now says vindictive. Let's break that down a little bit. It says, if you ever cross a crab, don't be surprised if they get a little bit petty or vindictive. Cancers like to get their way and usually try to do so through kindness and selflessness. But if that doesn't work, they're ready to get back at whatever or whoever is causing them to suffer. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but like, that's one hell of a word, vindictive. So take everything that I say very lightly because, there's other signs in your astrology chart, but sometimes it's really interesting to understand yourself and who you are with your astrology, just to figure out more details and more characteristics of yourself to better understand and like move forward and love who you truly are. The last thing I want to say about Cancer is you all are the cutest. And I know you need a hug today. So here's a virtual hug, okay? A virtual hug for you.